Hello everyone, today I'm going to share with you my first Young Living unboxing, so if you guys want to see what I got, stay tuned. So the first thing I'm going to do is remove everything from the box, and then I'll show you close-ups of each item individually. So we got the 2018 product guide, and here it tells you all the information of each product that Young Living sells, how to diffuse them, how much they cost, what they do, and it's super helpful, especially when you're starting off with the oils and Young Living. So I really like this book and like showing it to people in case they're interested in the products, and just myself as well, just looking and reading what they do or how to diffuse them. So this is super helpful. I also got this magazine, and this magazine is called Essential Oils, and it has a lot of articles, beautiful pictures, DIYs, Q&As, recipes, a lot of information in here, and I just can't wait to read it. I also got the Essential Edge newsletter for the month of September, and this just has some articles like Back to School, the Young Living Way, a message from Mary the founder, recipes, and things like that. So when you order a kit, you get to choose a diffuser you want. I chose the Desert Mist Ultrasonic Diffuser, and this diffuser is very elegant and it has a Moroccan inspired pattern. This diffuser comes with 3 runtime settings. The high input mode runs approximately 5 to 6 hours. The low output mode runs approximately 8 hours. The intermittent mode runs approximately 10 hours with 1 minute on and 1 minute off. It also has some lighting features which include 10 color options, such as the ones you're seeing now. And the light can also run independently from the diffusing mode, so if you don't want to have the diffuser on, you can still use it as a night light. So this is what the Premium Starter Kit box looks like. The cover is just so beautiful. It says, "From our fields to your family." And in the back it talks about their 20 years of stewardship. So as soon as you remove the cover from the box, there's a little note, and in this little note it just tells you what's inside the kit, what are the ingredients inside each essential oil, and more information on what's inside the box. So inside the left pocket you have some forms and pamphlets, and I'm just going to share with you what they are right now. The first thing is a Young Living map, and this map just tells you about how to move up in Young Living in case you want to do it as a business. And in the back it just tells you more information about how to get started and about the oils, the progress, the ranking, and things like that. The next thing that was there is this Essential Rewards enrollment form, and this is perfect for anyone who wants to sign up and you don't have a computer on hand. You can definitely use this. We also got a letter to new members from the founders of Young Living, Dr. Gary and Mary Young. We also got like this other letter about more of the business aspect, about how to get started, about Essential Rewards. And the last pamphlet we got was the Essential Oils at a Glance, and I think this is like the most important one because it tells you what the oil is for, what's inside it, how to diffuse it, how many drops to add, and it just has a lot of information of the oils that you have inside your kit. So I'm definitely going to be saving this and using it. But now I'm going to show you the oils that came inside this kit. So here's a close-up of all of them. We got lemon, copaiba, digest, thieves, peppermint, panaway, resin, citrus fresh, frankincense, and lavender. And forgive me if I pronounce some of them wrong, especially like the digis. Not sure I'm pronouncing it right, but that's okay. And underneath that we have a little compartment, and it has a thieves cleaning sample. And I heard a lot of good things about this thieves cleaning product, so I'm really excited to try it out. Also got 2 samples of Ninja's Red essential oil infused wolfberry supplement, and these are supposed to energize, fortify, and revitalize you. So I'm super excited to try them out because I heard a lot of good things about this product. We also got this pack of 10 sample oil bottles. Also got 1 aroma glide. In the bottom compartment, we also had another oil in there, and this one's Stress Away. And the last item in this kit are these 10 business cards for you to hand out to anyone who's interested in essential oils. While putting this back, I realized they had these little pop-up things so you can easily turn this into a frame. So this will hold your oils up and you can see them all. So I thought that was really cool that you can repurpose this packaging and have your oils on display with the way that this was made. When I signed up for Young Living, I also signed up for Essential Rewards, so then I can make monthly orders and get a discount, and these are the 3 items that I picked out. The Thieves toothpaste is supposed to remove stains and brighten your smile. The next oil I got was Peace and Calming. This was highly recommended to me by my sister-in-law, so I was excited to finally have my own bottle of this. And last but not least was Christmas Spirit. I love the holidays. Anyone who knows me knows that I just love the holidays. It's my favorite time of the year, and I just can't wait to diffuse Christmas Spirit. I really like that when you sign up for Essential Rewards, each month they have promos, and if your order reaches the amount needed, you get certain freebies. And because my order did that, I got Clove Vitality for free. So this concludes my first unboxing video for Young Living. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please thumbs up and subscribe. And let me know in the comments down below if you've tried Young Living oils before. What are your favorite products? Any other questions you have, feel free to ask. Also make sure you guys check the info bar below where I will have all this information in case you guys are interested in signing up, where to find me in other social media platforms. And yeah. I can't wait to diffuse these oils and see what they can do for my life, my family, and my friends, and just learn more about them and the different uses for them. So I'm super excited about that. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.